$800. If this is your budget for building your next gaming and video editing PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you what are the best PC components that you can buy for under $800. Let's get started. For the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one costs around $162. Now this processor have up to 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you excellent level performance in gaming, and also it comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, which is more than enough for your medium level video editing. So an excellent all-rounder processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Pro B660A. This one costs around $139, and with that price you are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD support, decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling, and for only under $140, it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. Now each of the RAM are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. Now in those RAM you are going to get those white heat sinks, which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, and those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty. So for under $55, it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, you have chosen the Samsung 970 Evo Plus. This one costs around $53, and with that price you are going to get a 500GB SSD, which has an excellent 3000 to 3500 Mbps read rate speed, and also Samsung is one of the most reliable SSD manufacturer out there. Then comes the main part of our build, the ASRock Radeon RX 6600. This one costs around $219, and with this graphics card you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with constant 60+ FPS. Not only that, you can even try 1440p gaming in many titles. So for only under $220, it's an excellent deal. Then for the power supply, you have chosen the Corsair RMX 750W 80+ gold certified power supply. This one costs around $100. Now for this particular PC build, a 650W is more than enough, but the reason for choosing a 750W is we are getting a gold certified power supply for only under $100, and also it's a fully modular power supply, which means your cable management will be excellent, as you can unplug all the unnecessary cables. And last but not least, this power supply comes with 10-year plus warranty, so overall it's an excellent deal. Then for the casing, you have chosen the Deepcool CL504F. This one costs around $65, and with that price you are going to get 4 pre-installed ARGB fan, a grill mesh front, a side tempered glass, and overall excellent budget case for only under $65, and all those components will cost you around $811. Thanks for watching.